In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Acuity scheduling page. Setting up an online scheduling system can significantly streamline the booking process for your business, offering a seamless experience to your clients. Acuity scheduling is a fantastic tool that allows you to manage appointments, but to fully harness its power, it's essential to customize it to reflect your business's unique identity and needs. Let's dive into the steps to personalize your Acuity scheduling page, making it a true extension of your brand. First things first, head over to the Acuity scheduling website. It's here that your customization journey begins. Finding the Acuity scheduling page is straightforward. Simply type it into your search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the site, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the website, and give it a click. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your account. At this point, you'll be asked to type in your email address. Ensure you enter the correct email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on Next. This will take you further along in the login process. The subsequent step involves continuing the login process with your Google account. You'll see the option Continue with Google. Select it. This is especially convenient if you prefer to have fewer passwords to remember and enjoy the streamlined security features offered by Google. Once you've chosen to proceed with Google, it's time to select your Google account. This should be the account you wish to link with your Acuity scheduling. Usually, it's the account already associated with your business activities. After successfully logging in, navigate to your scheduling page. This is where the real fun begins. Often there's a direct link available within your Acuity dashboard that takes you there, or you might have bookmarked the URL for quick access. Now, to dive into the customization aspect, click on the Appearance tab. This area is where you can really start to infuse your brand's aesthetic into your scheduling page. The Appearance tab is designed to let you control the look and feel of your scheduling interface. Within this section, you have the opportunity to alter your business details and form details. This includes basic information like your business name and contact information, as well as the fields that clients fill out when they book an appointment. Each detail you include or modify here should align with how you want your business to be presented and perceived. You can opt for a professional, polished look, or maybe something more relaxed and personable, depending on your brand identity. After making all your desired changes and ensuring everything reflects your brand perfectly, do not forget the crucial step: saving your changes. You'll see a Save Changes button, often located at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking this ensures all the personalizations you've painstakingly made are not lost. Remember, customizing your Acuity scheduling page isn't just about making it look good. It's about creating a seamless, intuitive experience for your clients that aligns with the service you provide. It's about ensuring that each touch point, from scheduling an appointment to the service itself, speaks volumes about your dedication to quality and professionalism. Throughout this process, keep your brand in mind. Every color, every word, and every detail contributes to the overall impression clients will have of your business. It's these touches that differentiate you from your competition and can truly make a difference in a crowded marketplace. And there you have it. By following these steps, not only have you personalized your Acuity scheduling page, but you've also taken a significant stride towards offering a polished, professional online presence that reflects your business's ethos and values. Remember, first impressions count, and often your online scheduling page is one of the first interactions a potential client has with your business. Make it count by ensuring it's a true representation of what your business stands for. Happy customizing.